Thanks for joining us this Friday, the 9th of June. I'm Sophia, a market analyst with Bell Direct, and this is your weekly market update. Well, there's been a lot happening in the energy sector this week, so let's start by taking a closer look at oil. Firstly, Saudi Arabia are looking to make voluntary oil production cuts. Over the weekend, OPEC Plus will meet in Vienna to discuss the alliance's targeted oil output after the production cuts in April of 1 million barrels per day failed to deliver sustained increase in oil prices. Saudi Arabia are looking to agree to a 1 million barrel per day production decrease in July in an attempt to stabilise global oil markets. However, the other 23 OPEC Plus member nations haven't offered to reduce output further. They have instead pledged to maintain current production levels until the end of 2024. The Brent price is currently trading around $75 per barrel, slightly lower than a month ago. The Brent crude oil benchmark, which is the standard price that underpins most of our global energy trade, is to include trades from oil produced outside of the North Sea of Europe for the first time. Now, there's also been talk of concerns for manufacturers with the energy transition as the industry awaits the Australian government's mandatory code of conduct for our local gas sector, with manufacturers concerned about the rush to renewable energy. The chairman of Alumina AWC, that's Peter Day, says that current battery technologies don't provide adequate backup energy capacity. Therefore, gas-fired electricity plants that can be brought online quickly should be prioritised during the energy transition. As Australia moved into winter, we recently saw gas prices hit a 10-month high. If we remember back to this time last year, energy sector operators were forced to intervene to prevent blackouts. Therefore, the increase in the price of gas heightens the concerns among the manufacturing sector, and the government should be looking at ways to ensure low cost and more reliable gas for everyone. Now, taking a look at the market's performance this week so far, locally the ASX 200 fell 0.64% Monday to Thursday as investor sentiment was dampened by the RBA's unexpected 25 basis point rate hike announcement on Tuesday, with a warning of further hikes to come if inflation doesn't move toward the 2 to 3% target range. On the leaderboard this week, the winning stocks were New Hope Corporation, NHC, gaining more than 13% amid a rally for coal miners, while Whitehaven Coal WHC jumped 10% on that theme as well, and construction and mining group NRW Holdings, that's NRH, came in third. Stocks weighing down on the market the most this week were Imugene IMU, Nanosonics NAN, and Domain Holdings DHG. The broader market, the All Ords Index, declined 0.59% this week so far after a sharp sell-off in infant retailer Baby Bunting, BBN, on the release of a trading update. However, Sigma Healthcare, SIG, advanced the most. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients this week were Sigma, Telstra, Aristocrat Leisure, Star Entertainment, Blackmores, Aurora, Champion Iron, and HMC Capital. Clients also bought into Northern Star Resources while took profits from Metcash Limited. And the most traded ETFs this week were the Global X FANG Plus ETF, FANG, the Vanguard Australian Shares ETF, VAS, and the SPDR S&P ASX 200, that's STW. Taking a look at the week ahead locally, the Westpac Consumer Confidence Data for June will be released on Tuesday, with the market expecting a rise of 3.2%. NAB Business Confidence Data for May will also be out on Tuesday, with the market expecting a rise of 2 points from a flat April reading. Overseas, US inflation data for May is out on Tuesday night, with economists expecting a fall in core inflation for May year-on-year to 5.4% from 5.5%, and a fall in monthly inflation of 0.3% from 0.4% in April. And the all-important FOMC meeting is also next week, with a forecast that the Fed will hold the US cash rate at 5.25% for the month ahead. Now that's all for today. I'm Sophia with Bell Direct. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and as always, happy trading.